Welcome to Government e-Marketplace. In this video, we will learn about Auto Consignee Receipt and Acceptance Certificate. Let us look at the overview. Auto CRAC is a feature that allows buyers to select a customized time range for CRAC generation. During the bid creation process, the buyers on the bid detail page may enter a non-decimal number of days against Auto CRAC days if the inspection type is post-inspection dispatch. Let's summarize some of the key points for this process. Auto CRAC allows the configuration of default and maximum Auto CRAC initiation days per category. If the buyer does not enter the Auto CRAC days, then the default Auto CRAC initiation days from CMS will be used by default, which is 10 days. Moreover, if maximum Auto CRAC initiation days is not available in CMS, then Auto CRAC days will be set to 60 days by default. Let's look at the bid details page for Auto CRAC post-dispatch inspection. Here, type of inspection to be selected as post-dispatch. Buyer needs to input non-decimal number of days. Auto CRAC will be generated after this many days from proof of delivery. Auto CRAC initiation days and maximum Auto CRAC initiation days shown for the specific category from CMS. This is the consignee view when the Auto CRAC is not created. The consignee would see an option to process order. This is the consignee view when Auto CRAC is created. The consignee will see an option, Edit Auto Generated CRAC. Click here to edit the Auto Generated CRAC. Here are the important key takeaways of this module. The primary product category under Auto CRAC days is displayed on the bid details page. CMS, Catalog Management System, allows the configuration of default and maximum Auto CRAC initiation days per category. These limits are displayed for the primary product category under Auto CRAC days on the bid details page. The buyer must select within this range, and Auto CRAC notification will be triggered based on Auto CRAC days inputted in the bid details. Auto CRAC notifications should be triggered taking into consideration the buyer's input. Buyer's input for post-dispatch inspection should be published on the bid and contract document. For other procurement processes, refer to GeM chatbot, incident management, consignee as paying authority modules on the website under training modules. Thank you.